See, we just started this little egg mixtation. Nothing yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got some egg mixtation. Hey, get it. Hey, get it. I think I should shut this. That way only only hens can come in here. Hey, get it. Hey, no, go. Go to your room. Go. Get on out of here. Get on over there. You be fighting like that. What you thinking? We don't play that around here. What, you goofy? Come on. Y'all don't be fighting like that, man. Y'all look like your brothers. Well, y'all want to be acting cray in the hey-ho. Okay, this thing, they ain't never going in there. Now with it like this. Let's flip it over. There we go. Oh, but then that screw is sticking out. Oh yeah. They using them. That's what I want to see. That means my work wasn't for nothing. Yeah, I'll let you run around before I do anything else. Y'all like and subscribe.